Wow.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the Southern District of Columbia, Northern Charles County in Southern Maryland, Eastern Arlington County in Northern Virginia, City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia, Eastern Prince William County in Northern Virginia, Southern Prince George's County in Central Maryland, Southeastern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were detected along a line extending from Reagan National Airport to Lorton, and were moving east at 35 miles per hour. This line of storms has produced hail up to the size of golf balls, and destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Coral Hills, Oxon Hill, Marlow Heights, Forestville, Fort Washington, Friendly, Camp Springs, Clinton, Andrews Air Force Base, Upper Marlboro. This is a dangerous line of storms. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts, large hail and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building.